Hi, I'm Alvaro from Alma Vitae. I just wanted to show you today the affiliate calculator that we have on the site. Before I continue, I would would love you to watch also the video that we have on the affiliate program. It's on the very bottom of the site. When you scroll down, you'll see this video. I will highly recommend you watch this video. The same counts for the video that we have here. So please watch these videos because they're very helpful. On the mobile phone, on the cell phone, the basically the calculator looks very similar to this. So you just scroll down and then you have different sections here that will allow you to enter all the different information that we need, right? This is for the calculator on the phone. So I just wanted to show you now the calculator on the computer. So for things first, we have a couple of sections. Direct sales, which are basically sales that you generate through your link. So you share your link anywhere you want on the site, on social media, Instagram, blog, share it with friends, whatever the case might be. If someone registers and they buy, even if they don't register, even if they buy as a guest, they will be basically placed under you and then you generate a sale. If they generate a sale, you generate a commission. If these people, however, register and obviously create an account and then share their link with someone else, right? And that person buys, then the person that bought through you will get a commission, and you will receive a commission because the person registered basically under you. So this is how the structure works. And like I said, please watch the video that we have in the affiliate page because it explains everything in detail again, just like that, the structure. Okay. So direct sales again are sales that are generated through your link. Indirect sales are sales that are generated through affiliates that are placed under you, either directly under you or the people under them. Okay, those are indirect sales. Now let's talk about conversion rates and basically conversion rates related to sales. In general, you can think of around on a conversion rate of 0.5 to 1% is a good conversion rate of basically a sale, right? So let's say you have 1,000 views. That means out of the 1,000 views, hypothetically 1% will buy, right? If you have 20,000 views, for example, in the example that we have here, 20,000 views would result in theory of a purchasing rate of, let's say, 1%. That is equivalent to 200 sales, right? So if we count, for example, the standard calculation here that we have is 50 euros, right? For an average sales price, the sales commission is 10% for direct sales. For indirect sales, and the level under you directly is 3%, and under that is basically 2%. So if someone buys in this level, right, that is in your structure, you will receive 2%, and it would continue. Obviously, over time for a certain product, we will increase or decrease the commission. We might give you higher commissions for other products, but let's take this as an average just to go through the example. In order to make, let's say, 5,000 euros, let's say we have an average sales price of 80 euros, right? Or 75 euros. Let me put it was 75 euros, right? And let's say you would generate 200 sales through 20,000 views, right? Already in this structure, for your commission, you will receive 1,500 euros. Again, you will receive commissions for a lifetime. That means if someone buys now or in 2 months or in 6 years, you will always receive your commission, right? So you don't have to reshare your link every single time. The moment they are basically placed under you, every single time they buy something, you collect the commission. Very simple. The same applies here. Let's say we have a commission average sales price of 75 euros, right? Because we have that many different products. It might go up and down, but let's say an average of 75 euros. And let's say in this entire structure, again, let's say in the structure that we have here, because all these people, this is basically you, all these people are level 1. So basically people that are directly under you. This would be basically all the people that are placed directly under you. These are people where you would generate commissions. So let's say here we would generate, let's say in this entire structure, 1,000 sales every time, 75 euros, and you would receive 3% commission. And the next structure, right, in level 3, you will receive, let's say, a total of, let's say also 75 euros, right? And let's say again, we would have 1,000 sales. Now, here you see you would receive 1,500, 2,200, 250, and in total you would receive 5,250, right? This is obviously the structure if you would basically go with the idea to expand your network. But let's say in theory, you would say, you know what, I'm not going to build out my network. I'm only going to work on trying to find direct people, right, that would buy directly from you. And let's say the average sales price that you would go for, because you would either try to recruit businesses, right, because you could also collect commissions from businesses, or you would collect commissions from other business or other individuals that would, you know, use cosmetic products or whatnot. But let's say you would generate sales that are, let's say, 200 euros, and let's say you would generate 50 sales a month on average. You would make 1,000, right? But let's say it's suddenly 200 sales a month, right? And let's say now it's 250 euros, right? So you can see how the calculator helps you to calculate how much money you would receive if it would go different. We also will run certain campaigns during certain times, as you've seen in the other emails that we have sent out, where we have basically specials where we offer a special kickback. So let's say we say, okay, you've generated, let's say, 400 sales this month of a specific product or during a special season, and let's say we have a special bundle where we offer the bundle for, let's say, 199 euros, right? And let's say the special now says, okay, if you sell, let's say, 100 units, or let's say 100 sales, we'll give you another kickback of an additional 10% of the sales you generated. So in theory now you would receive 20%, right? So we will have different kinds of structures and different kinds of campaigns. On some campaigns we will say, okay, let's say if you generate let's say 150 euros, and if we would tell you, listen, you would generate, for example, 10,000 euros in sales. Let's make this to 300. As you can see, it changes a lot. Let's say we would say, okay, you would generate 10,000 euros in sales in a special given time, let's say in a window of 2 month time. We would give you an additional 10% kickback on the sales you had generated. So basically 10% of this, which would be another 1,000 euros roughly. So again, it really changes a lot, and there's a lot of possibilities here on how you can generate money. We also have the online academy that we built, and we will build out more and more to teach you on how to make money online. We also work on the Instagram and TikTok shop and Facebook shop, where we have special campaigns. So the TikTok shop obviously is very, very big. There are some content creators that basically have a conversion rate of 3%, right? And let's say they make 10,000 sales a month, which really goes nuts. If you think about it, if a content creator goes viral with a video, and the video, let's say, generates 1 million views, and if the conversion rate is only 1%, that is in turn 10,000 sales. Let's say someone has 10,000 sales, right? And they would receive, let's say, 15% commission. Let's say the sales price is 50 euros, they would receive 75,000 euros in commission, which is crazy. So again, we will come up with special campaigns for you to make money online and to continue making money on the entire structure that we have. Hope this video helped. Take care.